video has been sponsored by Kingmaps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a ammunation MLO by Kingmaps into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install to FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. By clicking over here, we can see the preview video of the MLO. Now to purchase the MLO, you just need to click over here and get the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. So I have downloaded the files over here. Just open the ammunition folder. So this is the ammunition file which we need to extract into the FiveM resource folder. And by in case if you're using any Gabs MLO, then you just need to copy this file from here and paste into your FiveM resource folder. Now we have to extract the files into the FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting them over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's get inside the ammunition. So this is the ammunition which we have installed into our FiveM server. As you can see some big weapons in the shelf over here. There are lots of weapons over here as you can see. So this is the reception of the ammunition over here. Now let's get inside this room. So this is a shooting range over here as you can see. You can practice shooting over here in this area. From here you can go inside as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.